In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Webcam black screen. If your webcam suddenly shows a black screen or won't turn on in apps like video chat, meetings, or recording tools, the cause is often Windows privacy settings blocking camera access. Windows 11 gives you fine-grained control over what the system and your apps can use, and if those switches are off, your camera will appear to be broken even when the hardware is fine. Let's walk through the quick checks that restore access and get your video feedback. Start by opening the Start menu and clicking Settings. This takes you to the main hub where Windows manages features, devices, and privacy. In the Settings window, look to the left sidebar and click Privacy and Security. This section is where Windows 11 organizes permissions for things like your microphone, location, and, in our case, your camera. Now click Camera. You're on the page that controls who can use the webcam and under what circumstances. At the top of this page, turn on camera access. Think of this as the master switch. When it's off, Windows blocks the camera for the entire system, and every app will either show a black preview or act like no camera is connected. Turning it on doesn't immediately give every app access. It simply allows Windows to make the camera available when you choose. Next, turn on Let Apps Access Your Camera. This switch controls whether apps in Windows are allowed to use the camera at all. If this is off, even with the master switch on, modern apps will still be denied access and you'll keep seeing a black screen. Enabling it tells Windows that apps you run are permitted to request the camera when you're actively using them. After you flip these on, you can close Settings and return to the app you were using. In many cases, the video feed will appear right away. If the app was open while you changed the settings, give it a quick restart so it can pick up the new permissions. This fix specifically addresses permission-related black screens, which are among the most common causes on Windows 11. A quick note on privacy: you're always in control. If you only use your camera occasionally, you can come back to this page anytime and turn these switches off when you're done. That's it. By confirming camera access and Let Apps Access Your Camera are enabled, you let Windows and your apps use the webcam when you need it, resolving the black screen caused by blocked permissions.